If you're a bird lover, then you need to hear this. The crowned crane is the royalty of the avian world. These majestic birds call Africa their home. They spread their wings across wetlands, savannas, and grasslands. The gray-crowned crane likes to hang out in eastern and southern Africa, while its cousin, the black-crowned crane, struts its stuff in western and central Africa. Now here's a fun fact for y'all. Crowned cranes can dance. Yep, you heard me right. These birds perform amazing dances to attract their mates. And those golden crowns? They ain't just for show, they help them communicate with each other. So, if you love nature as much as I do, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more wild wonders. Catch y'all later.